Hello friends, last time we talked about IUPAC nomenclature. Today we will discuss its rules and what is parent chain and what are different types of functional group. But before moving into that, I would like to tell you about the tribal nomenclature. This is basically the nomenclature that we use in our day-to-day life, like for example acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid and all. So let's start with it. If the compound contains one carbon, then in tribal nomenclature we use the prefix form for it. Similarly, for 2 carbon, 3 carbon, I've written the prefixes. And similarly, for functional groups, there are suffixes that should be added in the compound name. Like for COH, we have ic acid. For CHO, we have aldehyde, and so on. We'll discuss an example. For example, HCOH, in this it is a one carbon compound, so the word form is used, and as the functional group is COH, ic acid is used for it. Similarly here, this is isobutyl group and COOH, ic acid is used. For 5 carbon compound, Valere word is used and it is a 4 degree carbon compound, so neo word is used here. And the functional group is COH, so ic acid. Here the functional group is COH, so aldehyde is used. 5 carbon compound pent and it's a neo one. Here the group is iso group, so iso Valere aldehyde. This group is acrylic group. I have written it in the previous 5 seconds. This group is acryl group and ic acid is used for the functional group COOH. This is croton group and the functional group is aldehyde, so croton aldehyde. Here this is the major group and this is the substituents, so methyl acetate. Acid word is used for 2 carbon. Here this is the substituent and this is the main group, so ethyl formate. I hope this much is clear. Now let us see some more examples. Here this is the major group for which aryl chloride is used, and as it is a 2 carbon compound, acid word is used. Next, it is a 1 carbon compound, so formyl chloride. Here it is a 3 carbon compound, so propione word is used, and O-nitrile is used for the functional group CN. Here this is the functional group amide, and as it is a 1 carbon, so formamide. This is the symmetrical anhydride. In symmetrical anhydride, we write the alkane name only once. That's why I've written acid for 2 carbon compound, so acetic anhydride. In unsymmetrical anhydride, we write both the sides. Here it is acid, so acetic, and here it is propane, so propionic anhydride. Next, let us look at the derived names of alkanes. Named alkanes are derivative of basically methane. So methane is the keyword. Here as it is written, it is methyl methane. Methyl is the substituent. Here ethyl is the substituent, so ethyl ethane. Here the substituents are ethyl, dimethyl, methane. The selection of parent chain in such cases is 4 degree carbon, as I've 4 degree, then 3 degree, then 2 degree, then 1 degree, as I've selected 3 degree here in this case. Now let us look into derivatives of alkenes. Alkenes are derived from ethine, so ethine is the main group. Here ethine is the main group and CH3 is the substituent, so methyl ethine. Here it is symmetrical because both the sides CH3 is attached, so symmetrical dimethyl ethylene. Here only one of the 2 carbon atoms of ethylene has CH3 group, so it is unsymmetrical dimethyl ethylene. Now derivatives of alkynes. Alkyne is mainly derivative of ethine. So ethine is the main word and CH3 is the substituent, so methyl acetylene. Similarly here ethyl, methyl, acetylene. This is arranged according to the alphabetical order. Here this group is known as vinyl group, so vinyl acetylene. Lastly, we would look into derivatives of alcohol. Alcohol are derivative of CH3OH, that is known as carbinol. So here ethyl is the substituent and major group is carbinol, ethyl carbinol. Here ethyl, methyl, carbinol. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.